Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is another unboxing ng Manang parcel from Shopee. This parcel is the mini electric multifunctional rice cooker stove with steamer. Sa item na dumating na ito. And sa wakas, dumating na siya. I'm so in love with this parcel. I mean the item no. Score ako sa shop. So this is from Shopee. So this is it. Yung steamer pala niya guys is made from plastic and mukha naman siyang durable and hindi naman siguro ito nakikita. This is the 1.8 liter capacity. Ito yung pan. Non-stick pan pala daw ito guys. And the on and off button. Takip niya sa steamer. So, yan pala yun pag nilagay mo yung steamer niya. Pero medyo ano siya, slippery or slidey pag nilagay. Ito pala yung cord niya guys, or adapter. Sadly, hindi yung common type ng saksakan yung ano niya, iba. And nag-try ako sa naglagay ng aking photo cheese molder. Bali, 6 ito at 5 lang yung kasya na paganyan. Originally, binili ko to dahil may steamer. Kasi gusto ko talaga magluto ng photo cheese or steam. Multifunctional ito kasi pwede ka ito magluto ng kanin, mag-fry, mag-steam, at kung ano-ano pa gusto mong gawin.